Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to day 4. Today is a challenge day. We will take real text, generate embeddings, and pair each text with its vector. This step is very important. Later, when we use a vector database, we need both the original text and its embedding stored together. For that, what we have done is we have created a new file. You can see it over here. It's 04 pair text with embeddings.js. Now, within this, what we are doing is on top, we are importing the create embedding from the embeddings.js file that we created previously. Over here, you can see 5 sample sentences. These are about movies because our final project will be a movie recommendation system. Here we are calling create embeddings and we pass the entire array. Now this sends all texts in one single API request. This is faster and cheaper. After we get the embeddings back, we use .map to create pairs. Each object contains the content, you can see over here, and its associated embedding, which is the vector of numbers. Finally, we are looping through the pairs and print them in a clean way so you can see both the text and a preview of the embedding. Now, let's go ahead and run this one to see it in action. Here I have written node, then the name of the file. Let me scroll it a bit. And here you can see 5 clean pairs. Each pair is now ready to be inserted into a vector database. So for each items that we have, item 1, this is the content and its embedding. Item 2, this is the content and its embedding. Similarly, item 3, 4, and 5 all the way. So we have created these 5 pairs, and each pair, as I mentioned, is ready to be stored in a vector database later. So you did a great job completing the challenge. In the next one, we'll start learning about vector databases.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.